All right. Okay, let's start with this. Alright, so we are in Unreal, and I think I fixed the issue I had where it was super laggy when I was streaming. It seems like it's much better now. So yeah, that's a good news. That means I don't have to change my CG cards. I really don't want to change my CG cards right now. The prices are insane. If I can just keep waiting a little bit, I would be good with that. I heard that the CG card price is going down for a bit now, so it might be the end of the shortage of components for electronics. So crossing my fingers that maybe in a couple of months I'm gonna be able to upgrade my CG cards, but I really didn't want it to do that now. Anyway, so last stream we were working on the combat design, so it was a little bit more theoretical stream rather than practical application, but it was an interesting one, and I didn't quite finish what I wanted to do on the documentation side, so we might end this today, and then I think we're gonna jump straight into Blueprint and the Unreal to put our ideas into application and see if it's working or not, because might be working on the paper, but the true test is when you do when you test this in game and see if it's a viable option that you were thinking of, or if it's just you know, bad idea actually. Alright, so I'm going back to my Confluence page because this is where I put all my design doc. Let me get back to this. Alright. So I started to put everything in this page. So we started to work on this this page. So just trying to determine what is the key features of the combat system, and turned out that what I want is the fast-paced action combat action game. I want to be on the aggressive side of this, meaning that I want to give the player the possibility to dictate the rhythm of the game and encourage the player to be aggressive, to be the attacker, and not on the defensive side. I feel like I would like for this game to be more on the aggressor rather than the defender. And also I want to do something about where the movement is really important. So we have the player has some tool to move around the map. The main one is the dodge. The dodge is super easy. There is almost no restriction. It can cancel. The dodge can cancel an animation, so you can dodge pretty much anytime you want. The um, how, how could I say that? The delay between two dodge is really slow. So really, I'm trying to encourage the player to be able to dodge a lot. If you want to dodge a lot, he can dodge a lot. There is no uh, rules that saying, hey, now there is a cooldown, you need to wait, or no, you can dodge right now because you are in the middle of an animation. I don't want that, and it's really important because we're gonna play with that. We're gonna give right now with I gave a tool to the player, but now I need to also find a way to give a reason why it's good to dodge all around. The first reason obviously is to dodge an attack, but since we're doing a game where like I said, we are the aggressor and we are the one that dictating the rhythm of the combat, I don't necessarily want to go too much on the idea where you should move depending on the enemy. You should be the one that's like if it's just for avoiding attacks, that means you are dependent on when the enemy is attacking. So that means, for example, if the enemy is not attacking, you're doing nothing. At least you don't have to dodge. So I want to avoid that, and I want to also, so I want to give other reason than just dodging attacks. I want to give other reason why it's good to dodge, and yeah, so that's I found out that a good idea would be to give bonus depending on where the character is placed compared to the enemy. So for example, you could dodge to get in the back of the enemy, and you would have some bonus. You could dodge to jump in front of the enemy and maybe you know, startle the enemy a little bit. So that would be another bonus too. So yeah, so that's the kind of idea. So then starting to work on this. Oops. Ah, okay, I didn't publish that, that's why. So I was trying to start working on the try to detail a little bit more my idea on paper. I like to do that because even if I'm alone on this project, and I don't necessarily have to explain my ideas to other people. So I still like to put that on somewhere on a paper. The first reason obviously is that maybe in a couple of months I might forget stuff, so it's always a good idea to put that on somewhere. But also I realized that when I'm trying to write down my ideas, it forced me to have this extra thinking, and that helps me to connect my idea. I don't know, it's a little bit philosophical what I'm saying, but writing down my ideas is different than just thinking of them. There is this concept that I need to it start to, you know, it start to get visual, and at least on the paper, and then there is this logical connection that start to get more views, I feel like, when it's written on somewhere, than rather just popping in my the ideas popping in my head. So that's why I'm doing this game design doc. Usually a game design doc is used to pitch a game. I don't need to pitch a game. Not now, but maybe later. But right now, I don't need to pitch a game to someone. I'm not looking for financing. I think it's too early, or I don't even have to explain to the team, because the team is just one person. But still, I still want to do a game design doc. So yeah, okay. So you can see that I started in French because it's much easier for me to write. It's my native language. But let's do a quick and lazy Google Translate like this. Let me see if it's making sense. The fight is based on numerous combo chains with several branches. Like games like Bayonetta, I don't like the repetition. Okay, so like games. I don't like this like games like Bayonetta. Such as is better. Such as Bayonetta or Devil May Cry combos are activated when the correct input sequence, light and heavy attacks, or maybe I should put with the correct timing had been performed by the player. Several combo sequences can start the same way but differentiate halfway through to add quantity and variety, right? So, duo play. Let's see. The player controls two characters at the same time. The main character and the spirit that is following him. Oh, I just realized maybe I should. I don't think I put the this task into my Trello. That would be a good idea. So let's add a new task that I'm gonna call Combat Design. Design document creation. Okay, so I'm gonna put a label blue because blue means it's done in live. So what we are doing right now. Okay. Hey Orex, how you doing, man? Good day. Been away for a while. Yes, I was away for a while. I was in vacation and it was really good. But now I'm even more motivated to keep working on this project. I feel refreshed. What a good thing. I hope you had a good weeks too, a good month, because I was in vacation for almost a month. Okay. So the player controls two characters at the same time, the main character and the speed that is following him. The main characters is manage the character is controlled like any other playable character in a video game, and the spirit the same as me. See, that's a good thing. We are in sync, I guess, on the vacation, so that's a good thing. You didn't lose, so that means you didn't miss anything. We are up to par. And the spirit is reacting mostly reacting to the MC action. MC for main character. although some direct or order can be given to the spirit. When the MC dodge there's a delay before the spirit rush to the back, to its back. And some interaction between the spirit and any enemies in its trajectory. Can happen. By pressing the dodge button, the player can prevent the spirit to rush and keep him locked in place. Okay. Alright, so to be efficient, the player will have correctly time we'll have to execute those interaction with perfect timing. For example, It's the a well-timed spirit rush can interrupt an enemy and give the opportunity to the MC to keep the combo chain flowing. All right. So stay in the good spot. So that's the kind of new things we thought about in the last stream, which is this idea to always be ideally positioned, and so that's what I need to think of a bit. How should I start to document this? So that's the thing. Let me get back to my, because I already forgot the kind of idea we got. Why the combined brainstorming? Okay, so we want to so that's the thing, we didn't even determine really what's happening when we are in the back of a character, what's happening when we are in front of a character. I have the feeling that we are not done with the brainstorming. Ah, yeah, I remember. I ended up the brainstorming because I was really tired. My brain was tired, but I feel like the brainstorming is not done yet. So let's think about it. So the question is. Let me start a new one. The question is, why do we want to be in the back of an enemy? I think I already did a question like this. What dodging is useful? No, what could we do when we already. Alright, so we found more damage, more statue, stun, push, etc. Different combo branch. Use the enemy as a shield, so it takes friendly damage. Manipulate the enemy and force him to do something. Force him to attack his buddies. When the enemy is in between. Okay. So it's all a nice idea, but I feel like we are missing something there. And what I feel we are missing is all this action. It doesn't really have it doesn't really link the main character with the spirit, you know. It's all about, yeah, if the main character goes in the back, he can do more damage, but it doesn't have this kind of feel like I have to use the spirit to do something, you know. So it's missing something. That I don't want to necessarily go to this idea of doing different combo unless those combo require the spirit. There is this kind of okay, let's try to ask another question. Is the what can I do with the spirit when the MC is in the back of an enemy? I think this question is more interesting. So what can I do? I can throw the enemy to the spirit, and we could have like an interaction between them. Well, if I'm... The thing is... I'm starting to second guess if it's a good idea to do something when you are in the back of an enemy. If there is Okay, let me play the game. I need to find... I don't have my controller. Ah, yes. So, yeah, I know it's ready. This is really weird. Oh. The thing is, do I really want to have in the back of an enemy? Because again, that's I don't know if it's really a good idea actually, because if I'm going in the back of an enemy, we are going back to this idea where we are dependent on what the enemy is doing. Like, does it turn around quick? Does it not turn around quick? And I know that it needs to have a little bit of adaptation also for the. It's important to have some adaptation things to make the game fun, but. But just having, I think, having good ideas on what's happening when the spirit is passing through a character when he's rushing would be a good enough incentive to make the player dodge a lot. Yeah. So what does it mean? It would mean that because there is also another thing if we are doing interaction when we are in the back of an enemy, it can lead to a lot of reading issue, like are you really in the back or are you on the side, or when the game consider that you are in the back and when the game consider that you're not really on the back. There is some you know, it can be a little bit sometimes a little bit finicky to see. Right. Alright, so let's maybe focus more on this rushing thing, because I feel like it's the heart of the interaction between the main character and the spirit, and it feel like I still didn't find the what would be cool, what could be really cool to use that. Right now it's just to make extra damage or interrupt. Okay, let's get back to my brainstorming. Okay, you know what? I know that I'm going all places right now, but it's fine. It's a brainstorming, and it's what it's meant for. So let's ask another question, and it's what's happening when the spirit hits an enemy while rushing. I think this one. I can do the there we go. Okay. So, obviously, damage. That's the first idea. Interrupt or stun. That's also another. Okay. Interrupt or stun, there could be... Whoa, there is a lot of people today on the stream. Hello everybody. I never thought that a stream where I'm just talking to myself and writing stuff on the notepad would attract so much people, but hey, I'm happy. Alright, so interrupt, stun, damage, it could be debuff. All of this is pretty standard. So there is this speed thing, so is there something I can make of, like the okay, and then there would be like the repositioning of the enemy. What I mean by that is stuff like maybe like put the enemy in a place where the MC would be able to I don't know, to make a cool move. So for example, it could be like spirit is attracting the enemy in his path, in its trajectory, so that all the enemy are lined up, for example. That would be more interesting, I think. Could be that it's pushing the enemy somewhere. Come on. More advantageous. Wow, I don't know how to. Advantageous for the MC. Yeah, I know. Thank you, YouTube. I know I'm live. Let's see. Oh, okay, it could be like it's putting traps maybe on the trajectory of the traps on trajectory. Like it could be, we could have an idea where it's forming a barrier. I don't know how it's a barrier. Yeah, obviously. Okay. Behind the spirit, like to avoid enemy. Maybe it could have, like it could be a good idea to that could be a nice one where you would draw some barrier and it will help you. It would help you manage a group of enemy. So it's easier for the player to manage a large group of enemy. Cool movie? No, cool moves. Okay. So I feel like this idea of barrier could be interesting if it's not too complex. So alright, so obviously we could also put landmines, flare. So I found out of this a little bit more interesting because some of them has a lot of interaction with the main character. The fact that the spirit, you know, is helping the main character. So there is this relation between them instead of just each of them doing business. Hey Yakugisu, how you doing, man? Whoa. Who do I see there? Welcome back. Did you have a nice vacation? Yes, thank you very much. I had a really good vacation. It's been 2 years and a half. I didn't saw my family like before the pandemic. So yeah, that felt good. That was a good one. I hope you had a good month too, Yakugisul. How was your month of March? Was it a good one? Okay, so forming barrier. So let's see the barrier thing.
Come on and ride with me. Sit back, relax. I'ma take you on the ride. Prepare for the journey through these lines I describe.
When he's rushing, what could happen soon?
Our two words collide. I fly like a bird in the open sky. The lines that I use to form this rhyme incline way above its days and time. That's why my gymnastic wordplay smashed the confidence in the rapper's forte. Paragraphs turn your flesh back to soft clay. Now compare your style to the thoughts the law say. Live it life for yourself and give it all praise. So look out for your health to live some more days. Since a kid I was taught there's gonna be sad days. So keep it pushing till you reach the very last day. So keep it pushing till we reach the very last day. Now ride with me.
Okay, let's show. Okay, so the wheel one. You can. The spirit. Let's see for this. The spirit could possess an enemy. Why not? Yeah, it was a good one. Thanks for asking. I mean, I had some boring tasks at work, but they should be done soon. Alright, that's good news. Yeah, sometimes stuff has to be done, eh? Yeah, alright, so the spirit could possess an enemy, like if he's rushing toward an enemy and he's eating an enemy, it could be like boom, he's possessing the enemy. It could be a cool interaction too. It could be something cool.
Chasing the melody when I speak. Congratulate the rhythm with the feet that leave y'all sunk in your seat. Your punks about to meet.
It could be interesting because it could unlock special moves to the main character when he's hitting a possessed enemy. That could be cool. Like you are possessing an enemy for like a couple of seconds. Or a really short amount of time. Alright, let's push this idea. Maybe we are going somewhere. Sure, but it's hard when you see all the exciting stuff waiting for you. Yeah. Yeah, I get it. But now you are in the exciting task, right? You are doing the exciting task. At least that's good. Okay, so the MC can unlock new moves on a possessed enemy. It could be like the possessed enemy can be, yeah, it could be like it can be it can be manipulated like it was the spirit, like he was the spirit. Meaning we could lock him in a place. We could make him rush towards us. Damn, that would be really cool actually. That would be really cool actually, because I can already see some really cool combo where you're hitting the guy, the main character is making a strong attack that is throwing the enemy away from him, but at the same time you would have placed the spirit at the right position, so right after you are throwing the enemy away from the main character, you are making the spirit rushing toward the enemy, taking possession of him, and rushing the enemy toward you again, so you can keep the combo flowing. That could be cool actually. This idea that yeah, this idea where the spirit is, you know, giving back to you the enemy is actually pretty cool. I can already see in my head how the combo would get really dynamic like this way. Ooh, I'm excited. So let's write this down. Example of combos. MC starts with a combo chain, dodge in the middle, lock the spirit in place, execute execute a strong MC execute a strong attack that throw away the enemy, but the spirit rushes back to the MC while carrying back the enemy to the MC, so that it can keep building, can keep chaining this combo. I like that. I don't even have to be processing stuff. It could just be like you know, like the when the spirit is rushing, is carrying the enemy with him. So it's more like he's getting on the enemy to hurt him. Hey Sierra, how you doing, man? I like your game, AOT. Thanks, man. Thanks. I hope you you will enjoy this one as much. Did you have an idea of what I'm trying to do with this project? Oh yeah, I feel like it's kind of a nice combo chain. So let's start to think of another combo example. So we could have okay, so another situation could be like, all right, so there's several enemies. The player quickly dodge behind the back of one. Enemy. Unlock the spirit position. Okay, it could be like, is it possible on a it could be an idea. So there are unlock in position. Then the spirit activate the instead of behind, it could be fun if it's in front of one enemy. Then the spirits activate the that looks pretty cool. Thanks Hira. I'm glad you I hope that people who like the AOT game would be as excited for this one too. But thank you for being there and following the progress of the game. Then the spirit activate the attract skill, which bring all enemies in his surrounding close to him, letting the MC able to focus on one enemy. Okay. Let's see if I can find other example of combos. Oops, sorry. Understand, yeah. Hey Porabot, how you doing, man? Afternoon, Jay. Thanks. Trying out our abilities and combos. I would hit help you to put this into a flowchart. It could be, but I don't want to go that deep because right now it's more about trying to figure out cool ideas, but I don't necessarily want to make them works now. It's more like what's the range of possibility I can do, and anything that is flow chart, something a little bit more deep. I prefer to do this when I'm gonna be able to test this idea in Unreal. So maybe like making a quick prototype in Unreal and see how it feels and stuff like that. Although yeah, I feel like it's the way I like to work. I like it to keep it a little bit blurry, you know, so that's I'm not trying to put too much constraint on my of my ideas of combo. I prefer to work if I have really good ideas but doesn't work in the with the flowchart, for example, doesn't intricate, it doesn't I can't find a word. It's not easy to put that in the flowcharts. Maybe it could be a good idea to change all the whole system, you know, to make this good idea happening. What would be cool combo? So we would have the main character, boom boom boom, starting to make attacks. Let me play the game at the same time I'm trying to think. Right, maybe put more. Alright, so we got a bunch of enemy. Lock in place. So whoop. I don't know why it's going. Should I try to implement some features now and see how it's look like in game, rather than trying to think of all the whole gameplay at once on paper? I'm itching a little bit to start adding more features to the combat, so maybe. Okay, there is one bug I really need to fix, is the fact that when I'm attacking, it's always hitting just one character, even if there is a bunch in front of me. It's always just one that's taking damage. Yeah, we're gonna have to fix this. So maybe, all right, maybe I'm gonna start there. So the design is obviously not finished, but I feel like I'm gonna start to want. There is one. All right, so there is a couple of. Let me try again. Okay, so does she have parry? No. For now, I didn't do any parry features. The reason why is that I would want to try something where the player is the one that is really. I want to focus on the combat where the player is dictating the rhythm of the game. I feel like a parry system will make the player more in a defensive approach, meaning that he is on the waiting for the opening. You know, it's waiting for the enemy to do something. So that would mean that's kind of the enemy that's dictating the player what to do. It's a little bit different. I would want to try another direction for the combat, another philosophy than the one that you are in the waiting time. You know, I want something really you are hard pressing on the enemy, and you are putting a lot of pressure on the enemy. So that's why for now I don't want necessarily to do any parrying. It's also going. I feel like it's going in the other direction that what I'm trying to do, which is a lot of movement based. I want the player to be like a fly, you know, and dodging a lot. Whereas parrying and waiting for an enemy to hit is locking the enemy on somewhere, and it's a little bit. I feel like it's not doing it's not going in the same direction as what I have in mind. Alright, so let's fix these nasty bugs. I'm gonna put that in my trailer. Fix impact detection when there's several enemies Okay, so let's go with that. Alright, so the impact detection is gonna be into my component. Probably gonna be this one. Ooh, it's taking a lot of time to open. Alright, we are in Unreal 5. How about that? Okay. So test for impact. So that would be the start, I guess. So if the character is in attack state or is rushing, we're doing a test impact. So first thing we're doing is we're checking for the what kind of move we are doing at the moment, and if it's different than the previous move, we're firing. Oh no, if it's we're resetting the hit index. Okay, we look for actor hits, and I think it's gonna be there that we're gonna have some issue. So we're looking for actor to hit. So we're looking if there is if we are in a move right now, and if the move right now is valid, we're keeping pushing. We're clearing the variables, and then we're doing a multi-box tricks. So the multi-box is looking at the move, it's looking at the collision box that we got into our move asset. So for example, if I'm going to their character hero moves, let's pick one, for example this one. So it's looking for this, for the box dimension. Tac tac tac. Hey Voilon, how you doing, man? Best followers, friends, and viewers on my... Okay. You got me. Alright, so let me kick this guy out. It is. It looks so complicated, but because it is, it is really complicated. It's not easy to make a game, eh? Alright, so we are looking to the collision box, right? So then we are doing a multi-box based on this collision, depending on the location of the character. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. We are looking for okay, and then we got its. So let's see. Alright, so here I'm gonna branch a string, and I want to check how many hits I have. nothing there. Everybody come here. Yeah. Everybody. And then, so it's detecting several. Yeah, alright. So we have several hits. So it's detecting several hits. So this is working. This is not where the issue is. Alright, for each hit, he's gonna do a local actor here. He's gonna set the actor that's been hit. He's gonna look if there is a combat system class to this actor. Combat system component, I mean. And then we're gonna make we're gonna filter this, check if the faction is opposed to the one of the main character, or the one that's doing the attack. If it is, we are adding the targets. Okay. So let's print how many targets we got here. Does it still register? No, it doesn't. So that's where we got the issue. It's always 0 or 1, even if I'm clearly trying to hit several. Alright, so that's where it doesn't work. Alright, we found where the issue is happening. Could it be that you leave the function before going to the whole array? I don't think, because there is the loop is in the function, unless I'm not understanding clearly, because there is a sequence, so it should be doing this, all of this, and then go there. So it should be like, okay, let me bypass the filter things. Let's see if by bypassing this filter thing it's doing good. That would mean that the issue is with the filtering of the faction, and it seems like it. No, okay, so it's not an issue with the this. So let me check a little bit, because you return in the sequence when you have one hit. Because I return in a sequence when I have one hit. The hit array. I must be really tired, but so wait. Okay. Local hit targets. So we got target. We got yeah. Okay, attends. Okay. Yes. Okay, it's here. It's one. It's completed this one. I think it is. I want to be like you so much modeling and make she live in his own world. Yeah, it's really a really fun feeling, a really cool feeling to be able to model something and then seeing him taking live in the game. Yeah, now it's working. Perfect. It was just this. Finally. Thank you, Yakugisul. I'm sure that you spotted the issue before me. Thank you very much. Alright, so that is fixed. That was quick. I can remove the print. Here we go. Well, it was easy, but this one is already done. Okay, so I feel like it's gonna be really important if I want to test feature when we are hitting, like now everybody's hit correctly. Yes. Yes, everybody's. Yes. Whoa. Seems like it's. Now it's fun. Okay, that's a good one. Alright, I'm just gonna take a really short break. I need to go to the toilet. Alright, I'm back. Let's go. Okay, so this is fixed. So what do I want to do next? What's gonna be my next task? So my next step, I feel like yeah, let's try. I really want to try this combo there. Here's the thing. So how are we? I'm just gonna remove this tool. So the idea would be like bomb. I would be like bomb, doing some. Yeah. Do I have a? Okay, the yeah, let's try with the heavy combo. I'm gonna make it that it's throwaway. Light attack. Why is the heavy? So the last one I want it to be Hit index. Where should I put that? Or I already forgot where the it's because I didn't open the alright, so the art type I want it to be a throwback. Oh, it should be like boom. Yes, now it's a throwback. So I would be like I'm eating doesn't cancel my yeah, the thing is right now it's it doesn't it's gonna be that's why sometimes it's good to test in game, because I realize that it's gonna be tricky. I want to do what. Because the thing is, when I'm eating a character, I'm already pushing toward the spirit, so it doesn't make any sense to bring it back. Unless I'm moving the spirit away, but I don't like that. So maybe I don't have to. Or it could be some action where I'm throwing an enemy, dodging. Okay, let's try this. Okay, so doing this, throwing the enemy, dodging. Alright, so let's create. Alright. So maybe to do this, it could be cool to have to create a move that is throwing back the enemy just after a dodge. So maybe we could have we could create a rule that is making new different combo just after a dodge. So you're making, like, for example, I like that. So we could have da. So if I'm not dodging, it's doing something like this. But it could be like I'm doing that, and then dodging, and then that would be another combo because I just did a dodge. So it's branching to another combo. And in this combo, that would be that could be like a throw just after the dodge, so that it's pushing the I like that. So okay, let's do this. So that's gonna be my next task for I think it's gonna be my next task for the next week. So what do I need? I need to create branching rule in my combo graph. Create a branching rule in my combo graph for that activates just after a dodge. and then I will create yeah, for now let's go with that. All right, so let's open the component. So it's the base, gameplay, combat component, and it's gonna be the player. Alright, so let's open the combo graph. Alright, so that's the thing. So when we are executing the combo chain, we are getting the movement component. And if we are falling, we are doing this chain of combo, but if we are not, we're doing the on ground combo, which is this one. This one, I'm even gonna remove this. So this one is the light, it's combo. This one is combo. Yeah, it might become, if I'm doing a lot of combo, it might become a little bit, it might become a little bit. All right, anyway, let's try this. All right, so where are the rules for starting a new one? So we got the if the next input is so we got light delayed, we got heavy delayed, because we could do some other stuff if we are delaying the action and just not mashing the button. So the attack input, when do I set up the attack input? It's when wait, why do I have to be in owning next attack input? I just want to check something. What if I'm doing this? Do I break everything? Yes. Oh yeah, it's because the first one. Yeah, okay. No. Yeah, it's making sense. Okay. So next attack input, it's this one. When alright, so when we receive an input, so if the inputs are enabled, we are looking at the states of the movement states of the player. So if we are running or jumping or falling or attacking, we are allowed to register the input. So this I could do something like let me Okay, let's try something simple first. So we got this enum attack. So I want to open my enum attack input here, and we're gonna add more. So we're gonna add. I'm just gonna start with the light. Dodge light. Let's call it that way. So okay, so that's the toggle. This move back that a little bit down. So if I'm calling that blinking, yeah, I remember that one. So just for now, I want to print. I just want to check if it's doing something. So I'm dodging and am I attacking? Yes, it's doing something. Dodging. Yes, all right, good stuff. I think it's gonna work easy. So we're gonna duplicate this kind of thing here. So if our movement state is in dodging, which here I'm calling blinking, the next input is gonna be something called dodge light. Alright, let's go with I'm just gonna add right now the dodge heavy. That I can make the dodge heavy here. No, wait, it's the other way around. So dodge heavy and dodge light. And then we are, you know what, it's gonna be, no, okay, that would mean, normally it would mean that if I'm going back to my combo graph, if I'm right after I'm executing my combo chain, let's check attack type. No, wait. Attack input. Yeah, all right. Attack input. Let's check it. So this is the light, this is the heavy, making sense. So I'm dodging and now it's a dodge light. Perfect. Dodge heavy. Ah, but it's broken there. But I'm breaking everything here after that. Alright, so that's gonna be something to fix later on. Maybe I want to, because I think it's the listen inputs. Oh no, it's wait, move. Okay, so let's try this. Let's go like let's it's gonna start to be really ugly, but for now it's gonna be okay. So let's go with, when you're doing a dodge light, we're gonna put, I don't know which combo move. Let's go with the light attack 07, just because. And then we're gonna call, hey, the reset combo, and we also need to reset this. So I'm dodging, nothing happens. Because it's the old, oh man, I really need to yeah, I'm gonna have to remove them because it's confusing. Okay, let's go with this one. Alright, so I'm dodging and attacking, and it doesn't work. Okay. Is it because Alright, so let's put that in debug mode to see what's going on. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna put that in dual screen. Alright, so if I'm dodging, attacking, if I'm okay, what if I'm putting okay, so it's working. but for some reason it doesn't want to play this. Hey Lohan, how you doing? Comment ça va? C'est cool de te voir là. Comment ça se passe pour toi? Alright, so compare the attack input. No. Let me get this back to my second screen. Ah, c'est bon ça. Bon bah tu lui passeras le bonjour. Hein. On profite d'être de t'avoir sur le chat pour passer des messages personnels. Elle t'a fait la tarte au sucre? La tarte à l'érable? Okay, let's debug this. Oh, it is firing something. Okay. Execute move. Do we execute the move at some point? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. We are executing that. I don't know, this is really weird. Oups. Qu'est-ce que je fais? Ben, je suis en train d'améliorer le combat. Le système de combat. J'ai essayé de réfléchir à plein d'idées de qu'est-ce qui serait cool à faire avec le spirit, enfin l'esprit qui est dessus de partout. Trouver des interactions vraiment cool entre le personnage et le spirit, et je pense qu'on est sur quelques pistes. Maintenant il faut que je les mette dans le jeu et puis que je les teste pour voir si c'est pas que des bonnes idées sur le papier et que c'est aussi des bonnes idées quand on joue. C'est des fois tu peux avoir des bonnes idées sur le papier, mais une fois que tu les mets dans le jeu, tu te rends compte qu'en fait c'était pas tant une bonne idée que ça. Et donc j'en suis là. Donc là maintenant je voudrais faire un système où tu pourrais avoir des attaques différentes si tu viens de faire une esquive juste après avoir fait une esquive. Mais là je rencontre quelques problèmes. Mais bon, c'est la vie. C'est la vie de développeur de jeux vidéo, I guess. Combat, components, system player. I wish you a good progress with the rest of the stream later. Thank you very much, Polabot, and thank you for being there. You're always there. That's always good to know that there is some regular on this stream. It feels really good. See ya, man. See ya the next time. Okay, so let's try something else. What if I'm going with the This one. Is this an issue with the move, the actual move? Nope. Oh, I think I know. I think I know. It's because I need to cancel the dodge. I'm not canceling the dodge right now. Right. So let's go to. Sorry. So we are trying to play the attack move. Movement state, so we're putting the movement state to which one? New state. Attack. Yeah. But the thing is that the next state, so the alright, so update state. So we got there. Alright, so we're checking. Next movement type is attack. So if we are attacking, we are initializing the attack only if we are blah, blah, blah. Okay, I just want to check this. Do we do something there? Dodging, attacking? Yes, it does something. Okay. Let me also check in the event grab. I want to check the you know what? Let's print the actually after the state, the update state, I want to check what is the movement state. Wait, because that next tape, next move. Okay, no, it's moving. Okay, it's me that wasn't being consistent with the naming. All right, so movement type, right? We're gonna print the movement type, and what I'm suspecting is that we won't go to the attack. Alright, so wait a minute. Let's just make a cast BP hero. No. Oh no. Character. Oh no. It is perfect. So blinking. Ah, we got a. Doesn't make much sense, to be honest. Okay. So I'm gonna print hello every time I'm initiating an attack. Hello, perfect. So it is initiating an attack. Should also be playing a montage. Am I right? Okay. Okay, so let's see. So this is working, and it doesn't reach there. What's going on? Okay, we are not initializing the attack. Why? I want to know why. So let's see. Okay, so in its state, so this. When I'm attacking, okay, so this. So it's not initializing, it's not going down. Why? need to clean it again. Once again, I need to cast SPP row. Yeah. Oh no. Ah, what's going on there? Yeah, of course. Yeah, I messed up pretty well, pretty good there. Fuck. What did I do? Ah, the close thing. I forgot this close thing. Okay. Alright, so I have the feeling that at some point, let me check the output log. Running. Blinking, running. No, actually. Huh. Let me try again. Okay, no, so it doesn't. It's never go to the. It's never go to this movement type. Seems like he's been overridden by something. Ah, fuck. Okay. So seems like this next movement type never happened, eh? I'm going back to the east. We agree that this is doing something. Like doing this, yes. So here is trying to set the next step, but it seems like going back to the blinking state for some reason. That's really weird. It attack. Here, let's go back to there. That's annoying to always do this. Ah, but there is. Wait a minute. That's the thing. There is some delay. I can feel like there is some delay. If I'm going back to wait a minute. So combat system player. Wait a minute. I think it's in the I think it's this. That's fucking dumb. I think it was that easy. Yes, all right. Perfect. Nice. It's working. Boom. All right. So that's mean now. What does it mean? Now it's it means that if I'm going back to my combo graph, now I can save stuff like, you know, make some weird shit. Like now I can say if I'm attacking without a dodge I got this, but if I'm dodging I can do stuff like that. So that would mean like I could do a move. So that would be this one. where I could throw away a character right after a dodge. So like boom, yes. Ah, weird. Sometimes it... Okay, now it's good. It's normal. Yeah, it's normal. Nice. All right, I'm happy with that. Okay, cool. So feature, we got a new condition for the a new branching rule for my combo graph. So that's gonna be useful. We're gonna be able to use that. That's gonna be pretty cool. So this one is done. And I think I'm gonna, yeah, I think it's a good time to end the stream. It's been a little bit more than 2 hours we've been streaming. So what the fuck, I don't want to say the what is that? Simple auto? What the fuck is that? No, I don't want to save this. Cool. Alright, so thank you everybody for following this stream. I'm really happy we are making some progress. We got a new rule, and I got some more toy to play for the that I'm gonna be able to play with. Next stream we're gonna keep refining the combat system. We're gonna keep adding more features and try to have a good feeling for the combats and try to finally nail the what we want, the design of the combat by testing it in game. So we're gonna keep doing this. All right, thank you guys. Have a good day, have a good night, depending on when or where you're watching this stream, and I hope that you will be there for the next stream. That would be tomorrow, same hours, same place. All right, see ya guys, bye.